Hello, welcome back to Cesim step-by-step guide for round 4 in the series of NBA simulation game, the free winning guide and tips. You can check the other video for the overview of top 10 winning tips, and this is step-by-step guide for Cesim 2024 round 4. As always, we check the unit result from last round, check the financial statement to see the IND and promotion cost, and check the sale and profit of each competitor so we can adjust the price. Check the market report to find the unit result at different levels. Market growth outlook to have the growth rate to have the plan for the next coming rounds. Check the demand for each region so we can calculate the sales forecast. Important to check the network coverage so we can increase the demand, calculate the demand increase. Remember to set decision for investment in the production to have enough capacity for the coming rounds. IND is always the key to win. From round 4 we can consider production of take 2 and take 4, and also production of take 1 and take 3 in different market region. Adjust the marketing decision to get better sales and better profit margin. Spend time with logistics to distribute among the market region, market areas, and set tax and finance to adjust to get better profit. Send the email to cesimround2020@gmail.com if you have any question or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.